Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Emirates Islamic Etihad Guest Premium Credit Card versus Etihad Guest Secure Credit Card. Which one is best? So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Comparison of the Etihad Guest Premium Card versus the Etihad Guest Saqer Card from the Emirates Islamic Bank is one of the most asked questions, and if you don't know how to decide which one to choose, just follow this video and you will know it. So the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar type in Emirates Islamic.A /EM/personal banking /credit cards, and then once you do that, you'll be landing on this page right here. And once you scroll down, the available cards like Etihad Guest Premium Credit Card and Etihad Guest Saqer Card is shown right here. You can also simply tap on this compare cards option right here and then select the Etihad Guest Premium Credit Card and Etihad Guest Secure Credit Card, and then you can see the features and benefits of each card. For Etihad Guest Premium Card, you can see the features and benefits. Our monthly profit rate is 3.69% and annual fee is AED 1500 and rewards is up to 3.5 Etihad Guest miles, and then you can also see the fast track to Etihad Guest Gold Tier status as well, and salary requirement is AED 20,000 plus. So top selling benefits are up to 2 to 60% of the Etihad Guest miles discount vouchers, and on one Etihad tier mile for every $1 or equivalent spent, and now 50% cashback on cinema tickets any day of the week, complimentary unlimited access to 1200 plus lounges worldwide for cardholder and one guest, complimentary airport transfer to or from Abu Dhabi airport, and 4 complimentary in-flight Wi-Fi vouchers per membership year, and complimentary valet parking as well, and 0% easy payment plans on Etihad purchases up to 6 months, and unlimited complimentary golf any day of the week. Now, for the Etihad Guest Secure Credit Card, the features and benefits are monthly profit rate is 3.69% and annual fee is AED 943.95, and rewards is up to 3 Etihad Guest miles and fast track to Etihad Guest Silver Track status, and salary requirement is AED 12,000 plus. Now, top selling benefits of the Secure Credit Card is unlock 25% Etihad Guest miles discount voucher on one Etihad mile for every $1 spent USD or equivalent spent, 50% cashback on the cinema tickets any day of the week, unlimited complimentary access to 200 plus lounges worldwide, and complimentary airport transfers to or from Abu Dhabi airport, 2 complimentary in-flight Wi-Fi vouchers per membership year, and complimentary valet parking, and 0% easy payment plans on Etihad purchase up to 6 months, and 2 rounds of complimentary golf per month. Now, which one is the best for you? You can choose Etihad Guest Premium if you fly often with Etihad and you want faster gold tier status and greater travel perks. You want higher welcome miles and more premium benefits. You can choose Etihad Guest Premium Credit Card. And if you want to choose Etihad Guest Saqer Card, if you want a more affordable card with solid travel rewards, your travel occasionally but still want lounge access, and if you don't need the top tier status every year. So choose one applies to you, and all you gotta do is simply tap on the or click on the apply now option, and you'll be able to apply for that specific card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.